How to make money online without monetization, how to make money on YouTube without AdSense monetization. First, identify your forte, be it dancing, be it sketching, be it writing, be it painting, be it marketing, anything. If you are comfortable with anything, stick with it, find your forte. And now that we are sure that YouTube is not going to pay a single penny without monetization, we need to find our way out. And these are your own websites on WordPress or blogger.com, Instagram, and online earning websites like Fiverr or Shig. So first, how to use YouTube without monetization. First, use the shorts, not the long form videos on YouTube. YouTube shorts are prioritized and YouTube are pushing shorts these days, and YouTube algorithm is much more comfortable with YouTube shorts compared to the longer videos. The chances of getting into a greater audience and more number of viewers are high on shortest videos compared to the longer formats. So first thing first, make short videos. For a healthy channel, make 2 videos or 1 video daily. Posting more than 2 videos a day is not a healthy practice, and it may affect your CTR, your impression, your reach, and your channel's video get clogged inside your channel and it would not reach to a larger audience. Next, there is one catch in YouTube algorithm and YouTube policy, that you cannot post Instagram's video without editing as it is on YouTube, but you can post YouTube's videos as it is without editing on Instagram. So the shorts video that you have just posted on YouTube, copy it, paste it on Instagram to get more audience in the reels. So with the single effort, you have acquired 2 platforms at one time. One is Instagram and another one is YouTube. Now that your channel is not monetized, YouTube may or may not allow you to put external links on your description box on your channel. So you have to manually mention your website's name on your videos, and you have to manually mention your website's name on Instagram Reels. And when the audience would reach to your website through YouTube or through Instagram, first provide your biodata on your website, what you are capable of, what your fortes are. If you write poetry, give a sample of your written poetry. If you write short stories, give a sample, give an abstract of your stories. You do digital marketing, give an example how you do digital marketing, and you can make a good profit for them. Now they have entered at your website, and it's your time, it's your turn to entice them and to hold them together and provide your service as much as you can. If they like your story, if you like your poetry, if they like your sketching or anything that you provide, don't forget to put your email ID, put your contact details so that they can reach to you and they can directly contact you and they can pay you and take the services. So this was the first way when we can grab audience from YouTube and Instagram and channelize this audience towards your website, where you have put all your biodata and you have put all your forte, and audience would pay you for that and get their services done. And addition to that, the subscription criteria or the monetization criteria is much more lenient for a website compared to what is there on YouTube. That is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hour watch time, and compared to this website monetization is much more easier and AdSense is much more lenient in websites. So if you put good effort in your website, you can get monetized earlier than what you can get in YouTube. Second is using online websites like Fiverr. Fiverr is a platform and interface that provides the connection between service provider and service receiver. Suppose you want a sketch to be done and suppose you want a birthday poetry to present someone. So you go to the Fiverr, you search it, birthday poetries, you find a service provider, give them the money, they give you the poetry. So in Fiverr kind of websites, the service providers has all his details, like what he can do, what he can comfortable with, what are his fortes, and you pay them and you get them. So use your technology, use your information that you provided on Instagram, that you provide on YouTube and your website, channelize that into online earning websites like Fiverr, and you can attract much more audience compared to YouTube in your early days. So in totality, If you want to earn money online without monetization, directly get in touch with the audience, directly get in touch with the customer, be it through Instagram Reels, be it through YouTube Shorts, and providing details of your website inside the shorts,